We're just going to demonstrate a pipe repair, how to repair a pipe in situ in the field or wherever. The main thing is to make sure that whatever you're working on is free of scale and rust and grease and oil. And it's just a matter of getting the pre-preg, pre-cut. And what we'll do here, we'll probably put around about 3 layers around the pipe. This is a biax mat. It's got some nice 225 gram chopped strand mat on one side, which is ideal for this sort of application. And all we do is we just sit it on the pipe and virtually just wrap it around. This length will probably put about 3 layers around the pipe, which is usually pretty adequate for most situations. What we'll do now is here I've got some heat shrink film that I'll just also wrap it in. You really only need a couple of layers of this. We just have a normal industrial hot air gun, and all I'm going to do is shrink this film around. Now we're just going to put it under the light, and it'll only need probably a couple of minutes just turning it around on the light, and it will cure. So that's giving off now about 48 to 50 degrees, which is a very low temperature for this sort of application compared to other applications where you get a lot of heat. And once it is cured, the exothermic temperature will just drop away and it'll just cool down. And it's another way of saying that it's cured now. And the beauty of this process is that repairs to pipework, oil, water, can all be done in situ in the field in a minimum amount of time with a minimum amount of fuss. And once I peel this off, I mean, it's not even necessary to peel the heat shrink film off. It doesn't, you could just as easily leave it on. But as you can see, that's as hard as a rock, nice firm sealed edge all around. And your pipe is ready to be filled with liquid and back into use again. All finished, ready to go. And in much quicker time than what you would have if you had to remove this pipe, clean it, weld it, put it back into place. If it's got flammable liquid in it, it would have to be cleaned out before it could be welded. Whereas with this method, none of that's necessary. You just have to shut down your supply, clean your pipe, and put your repair on and seal it, and within an hour or so you're up and everything's going again.